friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I'm stopping by to share some ATC cards that I made for a bee themed swap. In the description box below will be linked all the products that I could find that were still available. This video is being made a month ahead of time, so I apologize if they are not still in stock. They were at the time of making the video. So let's get busy and show what I used to create my bee themed swap. I used the Whimsy Stamps Busy Bees stamp set. This stamp set just cracks me up. These bees are so fun. They have a Busy Bees 2 that I'm hoping to get at some point. I did have the dies, so I did use those as well. Super cute and fun. I used some glitter dots from Not Too Shabby. I used the Busy Bees paper pad from Whimsy Stamps. It has such fun designs in it. I used the ATC Frames and Signatures stamp set for the back of my ATCs. You can see this set is very well loved. Since I started making ATCs, I use this every single time. And then I used the Whimsy Stamps ATC Antique Frames die set. I used this set over here, or this shape over here. Thought it would be fun to make some that were not just rectangles this time around. And here are my ATCs. I needed 6 of them for this swap, so I did 2 pink ones. You can see I also added some glitter to their wings. And I'm sure the camera's not going to pick it up very well, but on the glasses is some black Wink of Stella as well. And then there you can see on the back, just the title, date, and the artist. So there was the pink. And then I did 2 of this like bluish teal. And then my last 2 were some yellow. I think that they turned out so cute. They make me smile. They went together really easy too. And I like that they were a different shape, just kind of switching it up, be cool. And those little glitter enamel dots. Yeah, I hope that my swap partners will enjoy them as well. I must say I am still enjoying the ATCs. They are artist trading cards if you're new to ATCs. And they measure 2.5 by 3.5 inches. And you can swap them. You can just I sometimes send them with like a card just as a little something. And then the recipient could put it on a card if they wanted, or they could keep it. Just so many things you can do. They're just so cute and easy. And I like the smaller canvas. It's fun to work with. So that's what I've got for you today. Some bee-themed ATCs, and until my next video, I hope you go do something for yourself and go get crafty. See you soon. Bye.